Sending money through Flywire is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, search pay.flywire.com in your web browser. Making an international payment is fast, simple, and cost-effective when you're using Flywire. Follow these steps to send your payment on its way. Select Method, review the payment options, and select your preferred method. Then, provide details. Enter your personal details and payment info. After that, make payment. Receive your payment instructions, then send payment by your preferred method. Track and confirm payment. From here, you can explore more options and find additional features to meet your needs. Flywire provides a tracking system that allows you to monitor the process of your payment. You will receive notifications at various stages of the payment process, including when the payment is received by the recipient. Once the payment is processed and received by the recipient, you will receive confirmation of the completed transaction. This confirmation may also serve as a recipient for your records. If you encounter any issues or have questions about your payment, you can contact Flywire's customer support for assistance.